Now Goldie and I made it back from our little morning hike. She's there laying down. She's like, oh man, I'm pooped already. We are gonna go get some water. So we are at Ekbeck campground right now, and they have free water right behind me. And anytime I come up to the north shore of Minnesota, I typically always stop here, get some water. And if you've seen any of my lives or any other videos with my car, how I have my Prius set up, I have my water right here. I keep 8 gallons of water with me usually at all times. But my 2-gallon one is empty, and my other 3-gallon one is about empty. So let's go ahead and fill this, and then we'll get the other jugs and get them refilled. So now I have my small jug refilled. What I do is I move my little container there that I have different seasonings in, slide this forward and pull this cap off my 3-gallon jug. And I have a funnel that I keep with, and that just goes right in there. And then I just refill my 3-gallon jugs like this. Goldie, she's about ready to take a drink of it, I think. And that is some nice, fresh, clean water, spring water. It's super cold. I can't wait to get a drink of this. Once I get these refilled, I gotta refill this 3-gallon jug all the way, and then fill my 2.5-gallon jug so I'm completely full on water. And that is exactly how I refill my water in the Hot Rod Prius. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed today's videos of Goldie and I checking out a couple of waterfalls and refilling our water in the Hot Rod Prius. We appreciate you watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next one.